Are you ready to start a new life in the UK with your spouse, but not sure how to begin the visa process? You're not alone. Hello everyone, I'm Falguni by Parekh, Solicitor and Founder at The Smart Move to You. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to apply for a UK spouse visa. First things first, let's talk about eligibility. To apply for a UK spouse visa, you must either be married or in a civil partnership with a British citizen or someone with settled status in the UK. And of course, your relationship must be genuine. You'll also need to meet financial requirements like proving your sponsor earns at least £29,000 annually or has adequate savings. And don't forget there are English language requirements too. Next up, let's talk documents. Here's a list of what you'll need to submit for your UK spouse visa application. Valid passport. Proof of relationship like photos, chat logs and marriage certificates. Proof of your sponsor's financial status. English language test results or proof of exemption. Accommodation details in the UK. Once you've gathered all your documents, it's time to apply. You'll need to visit the official UK government website and fill out the online application form. After submitting your application, you'll need to pay the visa fee and schedule a biometrics appointment at a visa application center. Now for one of the most common questions, how long will it take? The processing time for a UK spouse visa is typically 12 weeks, but it can vary depending on your location and if there are any complications. Want to avoid delays or refusals? Here are a few common mistakes people make when applying for a spouse visa. Incomplete documents, not meeting financial requirements, missing deadlines for submitting biometrics. Double check everything before hitting submit to give yourself the best chance of success. Once your application is processed, you'll receive a decision. If approved, congrats, you're one step closer to joining your spouse in the UK. If refused, don't panic, you can appeal or reapply. If you have any questions or need expert help, feel free to reach out to the Smart Move to UK. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful visa and immigration tips. See you next time.